I'm just looking at the green screen now that it's set up, and I'm playing with dimensions in my head, trying to figure out where exactly I want to hang the lights in relation to where the table is. The trick here is that I'm getting another table because I'm currently using the old one you used to see in the office, because just I needed it with the move over there. So what I'm doing is getting a fresh tabletop for that, because then it'll be a brand new spick and span surface, look better for the videos. But what I'm looking at here is trying to gauge, when I look here at the room, I'm back in the far left corner in relation to looking at that wall, and I'm trying to gauge at what distance I'm going to be shooting at. This is about, I'm very close to the wall right now, maybe a foot out, so this is about as far out as the tripod's going to be. Now, this is at 24 mil on the LX10. So if I zoom this in to about 50 mil, which is probably the minimum that I'm going to want to shoot at. I usually like to shoot it closer to an 85, but that's 50 right there. So that's not bad in relation to where I think my desk is going to be, which is probably close to those lights on the floor. So I probably can shoot, if we zoom in here to 75, I think that gives us plenty of room. That's at 75, and then if I focus in, I've still got the width of the light. The desk is a little wider, so you probably have lots of room to put the desk probably right in line almost with that mark in the floor. You see that rough spot there by where that yellow power bar is? So that'll give us a good separation from probably about 10 feet anyways from the green screen there, from there to there. And that'll tell me whereabouts I want to hang my lights. It's a little tricky right now because I don't have the table in here in relation, but it gives me a pretty good idea. I think I'm going to hold off and put the lights up once the table comes in, which should be on Tuesday. But if I wanted to, I could hang some light and use the green screen standing or whatnot in front of it. But it gives you an idea of what I'm thinking, the thought process here for setting up the studio, making some tweaks and whatnot with the green screen.